This is an automatic street light circuit. We use an Arduino Uno board, some jumper wires, an LDR resistor, two resistors of 10k ohms and 330 ohms. These are jumper wires and LED bulb. Now the connections are, we have connected the on 2 number, we have connected the LED positive anode. Then this series we turned it to positive and negative. From here we connected it to 5 volts and ground. The working principle is, as the light bright intensity increases, the resistance of LDR resistor, light dependent resistor, increases, so it will help to close all the lights. As the light intensity decreases, the light will automatically turn on. So we have like this.